Detectives is filmed on location in Podunk County.
So, what color is the mower? Any idea?
Well, it's got a couple different colors in it. I know that much.
Okay. Is there anything else descriptive about the mower you can tell us?
Well, it's got a few wheels on it. There's a blade underneath the deck, I know that much. Is this your mower here, sir?
Yeah, that's exactly it. Wow, you're good. So, you guys think you'll be able to bring him home?
We'll do what we can, sir. Right now, there's not a whole lot of evidence, but we'll call you as soon as we hear something.
All right, thanks, guys. You know, when we walked out of the dealership that day, after sealing the deal, you know, on the mower, I turned over at my wife, and I said, "This is like the son we never had."
Don't worry, sir. We'll call you as soon as we hear something.
All right, thank you, guys.
So, what do you think? Jurgenstein?
No, I don't think so. Doesn't seem like his style. But I wouldn't be surprised if he knows something. Come on, let's go pay him a visit anyway.
Whoa, whoa!
Huh.
Not so fast. I want to draw me another picture of a lawnmower.
Oh, all right, well, you better let me color this one in this time.
All right, you got it, buddy.
Who is it?
Mower Detectives, open up. We want to talk with you.
Just a minute. I'm naked in here. Oh, look who it is. Couple of bent cranks. All right, what I do this time?
Ha ha ha, very funny, Jurgenstein. You wouldn't happen to know anything about this lawnmower, would you?
Oh, my eyesight's not too good. I can't really see that well.
Well, maybe you ought to take a closer look.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that's not helping. I think the only thing that'll help me see better is money.
Listen here, you scumbag.
Hey, call
I
him
got
off.
a way to make him talk.
Hey, ho, ho, ho,
Get off.
ho, ho. Take it easy
Jeez.
there. I know how to play at his game. Will this help you see a little better, Jurgenstein?
Come on, 50 cents? What do I look like, gumball machine? Gonna have to do a little better than that, Taryl.
Oh, so he can see. Well, what do you see now? There's Mr. Lincoln.
Oh, suddenly my eyesight's starting to return to me. I got that 20/20 vision back now. So yeah, guy approached me a couple weeks back. He had your mower that you're looking for. He tried to make an offer that was too good to be true. My gut started hurting me real bad. And I thought it was the meatball marinara I had for lunch. But no, it wasn't. The deal was too good to be true. Something was fishy. I knew I had to pass on it. Now I'm glad I did.
Pterodactyl here. And today, I've lost my head. Hey, literally, the head of my Stihl trimmer fell off. Maybe that's happened to you. And you know what? There's no way to fix it other than put a whole new shaft on. So guess what? Stihl doesn't just give you the shaft. Hey, like those puns and entendres, lost my head. Gave you the shaft. All right, now let me show you what's going on here. They got this here part here that the trimmer head goes on. And there's a little clip on here and a washer. And it either breaks or it comes off. And you're probably thinking, well, why don't you just put another clip on there, Taryl? Well, guess what? When you go to look up these parts, they show them individually. But when you try to buy those parts individually, you can't buy them. You got to buy the shaft. So again, you got shafted. Now, I've tried to fix these. I put snap rings on there. I filed a deeper groove and all that in there. And a lot of times what happens is this little aluminum nut that's on this steel shaft is moving on here. So even if you did try to fix it, sometimes when you tighten the head down, it binds up and then it won't spin. So all you're doing is spinning your wheels and wasting your time trying to fix this because it's broke, can't be fixed. I tried. I thought I'm going to come up with a fix and I'm going to tell people how to fix this. Then they won't have to buy the shaft. Well, guess what? That never happened because I couldn't fix it because you know what? It's garbage. It's junk. So, in case that happens, I'm going to show you how to change the shaft. To put the new shaft on. Okay, here's the new shaft. You're going to have to look up your model trimmer and get the shaft for your trimmer. I could give you the part number of this one, but it may not be the one for your curved shaft trimmer. So if you notice, this shaft goes all the way back to here. And that screw, there's a screw in the middle there, that's like a anti-rotation screw. That screw helps hold this in place so it don't turn on you. So you got to get your number 27 Torx and take that screw out. And then you want to loosen these. Loosen them up. You don't have to take them all the way out. And then loosen these two up here. And get everything loose, and then you can slide the power head off. See how easy that is? Then, of course, you're going to want to take this handle off. Slide that off. And then your brush guard, which just simply, you undo the screw, and then that just pops off that way. So to put it on the new one, all you got to do is slide it on there. And put the screw in. Number 27 Torx. All right. Now we can take this out and get rid of it. Now we can clamp this one in there. Put your handle on. You don't have to tighten it down yet. Just slide it up there. Get the power head. You may have to squeeze the trigger a little. There you go. Then we got to find that hole. So I got me a little pick tool, and I'm going to find that hole, and that's right there. Now I just moved it because I bumped it. If you want, you can grind a point on the end of the screw. So that way it'll kind of help guide the screw into that hole. You'll know when you got it, see it won't rotate. Tighten these up. Trigger works. Now you can slide your handle back to wherever you wanted it. Wherever you feel comfortable having it. Some people like them, you know, have that handle cocked out to the side, left or right, depending on you're left or right-handed. And then put your trimmer head on. If it's still good, you might want to buy a new one. Make sure this one's feeding. Come on, trimmer head. Oh, this one's bound up. Let's see why. See? Just knocking on the floor and parts go everywhere. Put that in there. It's a little finger to hold it. Now this is a head that you don't have to take apart to rewind the trimmer line. This is what they call a quick feed head. When it runs out of line, you just line the arrows up. These arrows here, you line them up with these two arrows here. You shove a line in that side and shove a line in that side, and you just wind it up. You don't have to take it all apart to put the line on. You may have to take it apart if there's a little piece of line left in it, but once you get that out of there, then you can put it back on. Line up these arrows. See, those two arrows, you line them up. You shove a line in there, you shove a line in there. You see that arrow there? That tells you which way to wind it, see? You just wind it up, you just suck the line in. You don't even have to take it apart, probably take you 30 seconds. All right, so that's all there is to changing that shaft on this curved shaft Stihl trimmer. Now it's time to get serious. There's your dinner. So you don't remember this guy's name who tried to sell you this mower, do you?
It appears your $5 just expired. So suddenly my hearing's starting to go bad. I think the only cure for that is a little bit more money.
I don't have any more money. All I got is that 50 cents. You got any money on you?
That's fine. I accept all major credit cards as well as PayPal.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. The guy's name is John Treestump. He lives over on Eagle Hawk Lane. He's usually home on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 to 2 and Saturdays 8 to 5. You can find him hanging out in his garage.
Sounds like you know his story pretty well. Oh.
Yeah, I sure do.
All right. There he is. Looks like Jurgenstein was right.
All right, let's go get him.
Whoa. Hold on there, cowboy. We gotta have us a warrant.
I got your warrant right here.
That's the only warrant I need. Let's get him.
Good afternoon.
Oh, you boys here to seal coat the driveway?
Not today. We're here to ask you a couple of questions.
Yeah, we're Lawn Mower Detectives, working on a case.
You boys know you're trespassing on private property. Got some badges? Let me see them.
Podunk Lawn Mower Detectives. Officer Taryl Jr. This is Officer Dactyl. You would happen to have seen any John Deere rear steer lawnmowers around, have you?
No, I ain't seen nothing like that around here.
Are you sure?
One that looks like this?
No, I'm not even into lawnmowers. I deal with bikes.
Mind if we take a look around?
Look, I got nothing to hide. I don't even know why you boys are here. You should try this local mower shop. I got a card for him back here. Let me grab it for you.
All right.
Oh, so what'd you say that was? A John Deere mower, was it?
Yeah, sure was.
Wouldn't happen to have any leads on that now, would you?
No, nothing right now.
Oh, I think I got that card right here.
Aha! What's this? Get him! Easier than I thought.
Yeah. Hey, scumbag, next time you decide to go for a run, maybe you should tie your shoes.
Great job.
Hey, why don't you go ahead and taser him?
Gladly.
Just a minute, I'm naked in here.